Okay, now we move on to the lymphatic system. Okay, the lymphatic system consists of organs such as lymph nodes, spleen, thymus glands, bone marrow, tonsils, and appendix. The lymphatic system does not have its own pump to circulate the lymph along the lymphatic vessel. The flow of lymph is aided by heartbeat pulse, contraction and skeletal muscle, peristalsis in the digestive tract, and changes in pressure during inhalation and exhalation of breath. Okay, in the lymphatic vessel, one-way valve ensure the lymph flows continuously to the heart. This valve also prevent the lymph from flowing back. Okay. Okay, so for the lymphatic system, okay, one that you must remember. Okay, this lymphatic system, I'll make it bigger a bit. Okay. So here is the lymphatic vessel, right? Lymphatic vessel. All of these are lymphatic vessel. So lymphatic vessel actually have valve. It will have valve here. Okay, valve. Why? To prevent the lymph from flowing back. To make sure the lymph will flow. Okay. Continuously to the heart. Okay, continuously to the heart here, to the heart. And then also to make sure that the lymph not flowing back. The lymph not flowing back in the vessel, in the lymphatic vessel. So this is the first one. And then the flow of this lymph, okay, is actually aided or helped by the contraction or the heartbeat fast, and then contraction of the skeletal muscle, and then also peristalsis in the digestive tract, and also the changes in pressure, inhalation and exhalation. So this will help the lymph to move inside the lymphatic vessel. That means they don't have their own pump. For lymph. For blood, we have the pump, heart as a pump, right? But for this lymph, the fluid will flow. Depends on this four. Already told you. The heartbeat pulse, contraction of skeletal muscle, peristalsis in the digestive tract, and also changes in pressure during inhalation and exhalation. So this will help the lymph to move inside the lymphatic vessel. Okay. Okay, so now we want to the organ. Okay, let us take a look one by one the organ for this lymphatic system. Okay, the first one we have the lymph nodes. Where is the lymph nodes? Now these are the lymph nodes. Okay, we have a lot of lymph nodes. So actually, it will can be seen along the lymphatic vessel. Okay, along the lymphatic vessel, so we have the lymph nodes. Okay, at the below parts of the body, and then we have also at the middle here, all the lymph nodes here, and also we have at the upper part. Okay, upper part of the body also we have the lymph nodes. Okay, a lot of lymph nodes along the lymphatic vessel. Okay, what is inside the lymph nodes? Okay, lymph nodes. Okay, this is the lymph nodes, right? So what is inside? So we make it bigger right here. Okay, so inside the lymph nodes, okay, when you make it bigger from here, okay, one lymph nodes here. So each lymph nodes will have a lymphocyte. Okay, inside the lymph node have the lymphocyte. Lymphocyte is a leukocyte. Of course, function to fight the disease, to produce the antibody to fight the disease. So every lymph node, so we have a lot of lymph nodes here, right? We have a lot of lymph nodes. So each lymph nodes will have this lymphocyte inside. Okay, to fight the infection. Okay, and then here also we have the lymphatic capillary. So lymphatic capillary also actually have this valve, right? To make sure the flow of one way. Okay, one way flow of the lymphatic lymph, and to prevent the bad flow of the lymph. Okay, so we have the blood vessel and tissue fluid here. So tissue fluid here will enter lah. Okay, tissue fluid will enter the lymphatic capillary, and then in this case, this is known as lymph. So it will move from here into the lymph nodes. Okay. Okay, so this is the first one, lymph nodes lah. Okay, we have a lot of lymph nodes. Okay, and then next we have the next organ is the spleen. Where is the spleen? So spleen I make a bit bigger, right? Bigger here. So spleen actually located near the stomach. So here we have the stomach lah, area here, stomach. And the spleen function also for to fight infection, and one of the function also to control the level of blood cell. To control the level of white blood cell, leukocyte, to control the level of the the erythrocyte. Okay, so this is function of the spleen. Maybe sometimes you don't our body don't need much lymphocyte. Okay, sometimes our body needs more lymphocyte, so it will be controlled by this spleen lah. Okay, spleen. So spleen in Chinese, this is the Chinese P. Is it correct? I'm pronounced for this word spleen. And then the real spleen image is this one. This is the real spleen. Okay, like this. Okay, so this is the second organ, the spleen. Okay, and then move on to the next. We have the another organ. We have the thymus gland. So we go to the thymus gland. Thymus gland here. So thymus gland, okay, function to produce a special leukocyte known as a T cell. So this also function to fight infection lah. So this special leukocyte produced by thymus gland. Okay, and then we have the bone marrow. So bone marrow, I already told you what is the function of the bone marrow. Here, inside the bone. So bone marrow function to produce blood cell. Okay, blood cell, for example, the red blood cell, the erythrocyte, the leukocyte, and platelets. So this is function of the bone marrow. And then we have the tonsils. Where is the tonsils? Here the tonsils. Okay, tonsils. So tonsil, the location is upper throat. Upper throat. The location at upper throat and the back of the mouth. Okay, so I will show you the diagram. Wait, this one, tonsil. Okay, so this tonsil actually will help to fight infection also lah. So actually this tonsil, lymph nodes, one of the lymph nodes, so of course have lymphocyte inside. So when we have infection, so usually this part will become swollen. Okay, swollen, and then you can get the sore throat and so on lah. Okay, that show that our body have infection lah. Okay, so that's for the tonsils. And then last one we have appendix. Appendix. So before this, we already meet this appendix in the digestive system, right? So appendix near the large intestine. But before this, the scientists do not know what is the exact function for this appendix. Maybe some of the scientists say that involved in the digestive system, right? Because near the large intestine. But they found out that appendix also actually involved in the production of lymphocytes. So that's why this appendix is one of the organ in the lymphatic system. Okay, so that's for the organs. Okay, the another organ that can be found here is the duct here, right lymphatic duct. You see here, this is the right lymphatic duct, okay, at the right side. And then at the left side, we have this thoracic duct. Don't write, I think maybe another name, maybe left lymphatic duct. I don't know, I don't Not sure. Later I will find out. So, but you must remember at the left side we have thoracic duct. Okay, thoracic duct. This one is right lymphatic duct. Okay, what is the function of this right lymphatic and thoracic ducts? Okay, function. You can read here first. The right lymphatic duct function to receive lymph from the right hand, chest and right side of the head and neck. Okay, the function of this right lymphatic duct, okay, to receive the, make a bit, okay, smaller, to receive the lymph from the right hand. So from the right hand, or we go to the this one, go to the right lymphatic duct. Okay, we go to right lymphatic duct like this. Okay, and then we have the from the chest. From the chest also we go to the right lymphatic, but the right side lah. Okay, and then the right side of the head and neck. So head and neck here, right side, all we go to the this one. Go to the right lymphatic duct, the lymph inside the vessel. Okay, that inside the lymphatic vessel will go to this right lymphatic duct. Okay, will be received by the right lymphatic duct. Okay, for the thoracic duct, so we move on to here, the right thoracic ducts. Okay, thoracic duct function to receive lymph from the left side of the head, neck and chest and all of the body parts below the ribs. So here is the thoracic duct. Here is the thoracic duct. Okay. So this thoracic duct will receive lymph from the left side of the head. So lymph from the left side of the head enter the lymphatic vessel. Then we go to the this one. Go to this thoracic duct. Okay, and then neck also. From the neck also we go to the this left this thoracic duct. Chest. Okay, chest also from the left side also we go to this thoracic duct. And then we have the below. The below body, all the part of the below body also all will go to the thoracic duct. Okay, so there's this the function of thoracic duct to receive lymph from this side, this part of the body. Okay, and you must remember for thoracic duct also we receive the lymph from the below part, below the ribs. But for the right, no. Right just receive the from hand and then from the from the chest or at the right side. No below part. So below part all we go to the thoracic duct at the left side. Okay. So this is a function of the organs or in the lymphatic system. So here also we have the right subclavian vein and left subclavian vein. So what are the function of this? So this will come to the next topic. The next topic here. Relationship between the blood circulatory system and the lymphatic system. So all lymphatic vessels will eventually join with one of the two main lymphatic vessels, which are the thoracic duct and right lymphatic duct. So the right lymphatic duct, okay, right lymphatic duct and also thoracic ducts are these two are the main lymphatic vessel. Okay, lymphatic vessel. So the main lymphatic vessel. So all the lymphatic vessel will join to become these two main lymphatic vessel, right lymphatic duct and thoracic duct. Okay, so relationship between this lymphatic system and also the blood circulatory system. Okay, we can see from this diagram. Okay. The thoracic duct will deliver its contents into the left subclavian vein, while the right lymphatic duct will transport lymph into the right subclavian vein. So the lymph collected from the whole body will flow back into the blood circulatory system. So figure 10.2.3 shows the relationship between the lymphatic system and the blood circulatory system that complement each other. So this lymphatic system and blood circulatory system must work together. Okay, that's why they are near side by side lah, near to each other lah. Okay. So we can see we have the lymphatic capillaries, we have the systemic capillaries, lymph node, okay, vein, and this one vein, and then we have vein also have valve, right? So this lymph vessel, also lymphatic vessel also have valve, okay? So the function, the green color here show the lymphatic system. Lymphatic system, all the green color. The blue and red here is the blood circulatory system. So they have connection here. Okay, system. So same, they will move to the heart also. Go back to the heart. So but for this lymphatic system, we carry the lymph lah. Carry the lymph inside the green color or the lymph. Okay, for the blue and red color is the blood lah. Okay, this one is the right systemic circulation and pulmonary circulation. Means at the lung also we have this lymphatic capillaries here, right? Okay, so they will connected to each other. Okay, so the connection here maybe we cannot see in this diagram. So I will go back to this diagram. Okay, make it bigger. So I will erase this first. Okay, erase all the wording here so that you can see the connection. Okay, can we erase? Okay, erase, right? So okay, now come to this diagram back. Okay, you can see here that all the I already explained to you that all the lymphatic vessel will join to become become these two main vessel. One, right lymphatic duct and also thoracic duct, the main lymphatic vessel lah. Okay, so all the lymph will be received by these two. From the all parts of the body lah. Okay, so we receive by these two. So when we make it bigger, here we go to the right side first. Okay, we have this right lymphatic duct and right subclavian vein. Okay, so the right lymphatic duct will receive all the lymph from the right side of the body, right? From the hand, from the neck, and so on. So all we go here. So the lymph also we go here. Okay, we go here, and then it will then flow into the right subclavian vein. So this is the connection between the lymphatic system and also the blood circulatory system. So right lymphatic duct is lymphatic system, from the lymphatic system that carry the lymph, right? And then for the here, it will right subclavian vein is the blood circulatory system. Okay, so it will carry the lymph into the blood circulatory system lah. For this right subclavian vein, actually this right subclavian vein will receive lymph from right lymphatic duct. Then it will carry the lymph to the blood circulatory system, to the whole blood circulatory system, inside the blood circulatory system. Okay, so receive lymph. Okay, so this is the connection, the first connection right lymphatic duct and also the right subclavian vein. Then the second connection here, this one, at the left side, we have the thoracic duct. Okay, thoracic duct. So, and also the left subclavian vein. So, all the lymph will received by the thoracic duct from the left side, and then from the below organ, below part of the body. Okay, below part of the rib will enter this part of the thoracic duct. Then it will be received. Okay, receive the lymph from the thoracic duct. and then will carry to the blood circulatory system. So this left subclavian vein is the part of the blood circulatory system. Right, this one part of the lymphatic system. So this how these two systems connected from the right and at the right side and the left side. So maybe we can conclude, make some conclusion here. Okay, I try to write below here lah. Okay now. Okay, we conclude that lymph from what? Lymph from right hand. Okay, right hand. And then we have the chest. And then right side of the head and neck. Okay, received by, okay, this one words okay, okay, edit, okay, and then edit. Okay, received by, we use this one, received by the what? By the right lymphatic duct. Okay, and then received by or transport to the right subclavian vein. Okay, and then into the we put here blood circulatory system. System. Yeah. Okay, so this one lah connection. Okay. Apa nak pro tu lah. Why? Okay. Okay, this one. Okay, then we can add here. Okay, later you write nicely lah, right? Okay. Lymph from where? Lymph from the left side. Okay, the left side. Okay, left side of the head. Okay, neck. Then what? Chest. Okay, and then all parts of the body below the ribs. Okay, and then we receive by what? Received by thoracic duct. Okay, thoracic duct. Then transport to left subclavian vein, okay, to the blood circulatory system. Okay, so these are the connection between the circulatory system and also the lymphatic system. Okay, sorry for this video quite long. Okay, if you have any question, then you can ask me later.